Hey everyone, it's Dale here. In this video I'll show you how to get a free volume profile for TradingView platform. You won't even need to pay for their subscription, it's completely free. Yeah, I know so many people on the internet claim that something is free, but in the end it's not free, but this one really is free, so let me show you. By the way, this one was for members of our trading course, but right now you can get it as well. What you need to do is follow the link which is below this video, and it will take you to this page, Trader's Kit page. In here, the only thing that you need to do is fill in this field where it says, where should we send your free Trader's Kit? So you fill in your name, your email, and then hit this button. This will take you to this page, and on this page, among other amazing stuff like the free books, webinars, and other things, you can get the volume profile in here. There's the flexible volume profile and there's a fixed volume profile. So what I'm going to show you now is how to get the flexible and fixed volume profile running. Alright, so first let me click the flexible volume profile. You click it, and then this is TradingView page, and you just click Add to Favorites. Now let me go back to this page, and I'll click the fixed volume profile. It will take me to this page, and again you add to favorites, right? Now both of those volume profiles are added to your favorite indicators on TradingView. So now what you need to do is just open any chart on TradingView, like for example this one. This is US dollar, Japanese yen. You go to the indicator list up here, and there's the fixed volume profile free and flexible volume profile free. So let me click the fixed volume profile, and it will load up on the chart. See, those are the daily volume profiles. Obviously there are settings where you can adjust how the profile looks and other functionalities. So you go here and click settings, and in here, for example, you can switch from daily profile to a weekly profile. You can enable showing point of control and the value area. Obviously, you can also change the colors of the profile. Let me now click OK, zoom out a bit. Right now, you can see that those are the fixed volume profiles and they are weekly profiles, which means that they show how volumes are distributed each week. As I was saying, you don't even need to pay for the TradingView subscription. You can go with our free plan. All I'm showing you is completely free. Now, this is the fixed profile. Let me show you the flexible profile. That's my favorite indicator. You click this, and now you need to select two places on the chart. One on the left where the profile starts to calculate, then one on the right where the profile ends to calculate. And it will show you how volumes are distributed in that area. You can move it around, and this is very, very useful because you can look only into specific areas in which you are interested in, right? Very, very useful thing. Again, you can adjust the settings. If you click here, you can change the colors. You can make the point of control show or the value area. And you know, volume profile has always been my #1 trading tool. As you can see, the price is very nicely reacting to it. For example, here to this heavy volume zone, there was a pullback and the price reacted there very nicely here. Or for example, to this heavy volume zone, there was a pullback to it and beautiful reaction right here to that heavy volume zone. Or another beautiful reaction to this heavy volume zone. Right here, the price went up from that heavy volume zone, tested that with a pullback long from there. As you can see, the price is simply reacting to the heavy volume zones, and this is exactly what we teach in our trading course. So if you really want to learn more about how to use this indicator, you can join us. Just go to my website. It is traderdale.com. Just click trading course and tools, and it'll take you to this page, and in here you can enroll into the volume profile course. That's this one. Obviously, if you are interested in order flow, VWAP or smart money, you can get those courses as well. If you scroll down a bit, then we are currently running a special Halloween sale where you can get all the 4 packs together for a discounted price, which is available for you to get until the end of the month. Alright, so that's about it. I hope you guys found it useful. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.